garbage?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey guys, how's the hike going?
Who said you should do this? Not kidding. Just kidding.
Hi sis.
That girl right there. Just kidding.
It's kind of difficult, but we're still doing it.
We're still doing it.
On the way back down.
The food was so good.
Hey, make a store.
Check. Olympics. Wow. Hiking Olympics. Make a store.
Okay, period. Call the ambulance.
Side wind, straightforward, eyes on the climbing. On the side, no man at the climbing. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay him beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices.
First hike done. How was the hike?
Good.
First time hiking.
Y'all ate that up.
This was actually my first time ever.
We're at like the same height.
I thought I'd die, to be honest with you. I thought I'd be like,
Look, it looks like there's a house there.
It's a gazebo.
Step out, let your edge out, just so I spoke to be